Hi guys, this is Andy and Yami. That's my daughter, and she's shooting the video. And I'm here because we got a new humidifier from Costco. I also got an old humidifier, which I got last year from Walgreens because humidifiers are really helpful when it's like dry heat, and my daughter started bleeding from nose, so we had to get. This was a replacement. We had one before, but it started leaking, and this is doing good. And I wanted to compare. I'm going to do open box. I'm going to open the box here today and show you what we got from Costco. But here it's like cold mist, and there's a night light here. I'll just plug it in for you. And but the problem what we are facing is, okay, this is the power, this is the night light. It is very helpful and very nice and pleasant looking, and this turns it off. Only problem is it's cold mist and makes your comforter wet. Okay, and it's all misty and it's really we don't feel good in the morning. So I'm going to keep it on the side, and the capacity is like 1 gallon. So let's see what we got today. So we got this from Costco. It's named Homedics, and it's Total Comfort Ultrasonic Warm and Cold Mist. So it has got cold and warm mist, and it has a digital display and dual water tanks, so it's more capacity, and visible warm and cold mist. And it does have a kind of thermostat. It's called humidistat, which fixes the percentage of humidity in the room, and you do see it says cool, so warm or cool mist. And it does have a night mode and displays lights. So this is how it is. Alright, and let's see. It has auto off timer and digital display. So basically the purpose is same, to keep the room wet, the air is not dry. So let's see, let's open the box. So I got knife here. I would use knife, I prefer knife. And I'm gonna unbox it. And let's see.
It also includes an essential oil starter kit.
Oh, I didn't know that. Thank you, Yami. Yeah, she does a lot of research. She is helpful. Now let's see. Okay, they gave the handle easy to carry. All right. Let's see what we have here. All right. So this is, they gave the manual. Okay, we're gonna keep it on the side. It says it's for help. Any questions they have the number here. And let's start unboxing. Let's see what they gave. I think
Essential oil.
what it is. Let's check out. Let's keep it on the side at this time. Let's see. This is essential oils. So they give essential oils. And there's another packing. I'm just trying to remove. We're gonna pull it out. Alright. So alright. That's pretty much. is in the box. Alright. And this is again, in case we need to return, I'll just try to remove it carefully if we don't like it. This product costed $60. It's actually for $80 to $90, and there was $30 rebate. And they gave essential oils. That's really good. Essential oils are expensive, so if you buy from a good store. Alright, so okay, here it is. Ta-da! It's like dual chamber, so it has 2 chambers. That's what I see. And let's put that in the box. Can you please? Thank you. She's really excited. She wants to show everything. Alright, that's the front side, and these are the back tanks. And this is the power cable. And okay, let me open the card. And let's see how this works. Okay, they did a really nice packing. Alright, so this is the front. Okay, this shows cool. This is for humidity. You can increase and decrease. And this is the timer. This is a moon sign, so I guess this is for the night. This is like a red colored. I think that's a sleep mode. Okay, this is red, means warmness, and this is, let's see, this is a continuous, so it will just, it is a continuous mode, CO, so it will continuously keep on humid. And I still have to, I think here you can put the essential oils. And these are, you can just, alright, this is, it says essential oils, use a tray, so they have given us a little tray, and I guess that's what came with this. So you can just put essential oils and put it in the tray. They gave small tray here. They gave 2 trays which came with it, and you can put it here and then insert it. Okay, I'm just trying to locate the door. Okay, I guess once we start using, we'll post another video. Oh, I found it. So these are beautiful chambers they got. So you can put water from here. That's how it goes. You can always put water from here, and there's a LED bulb here if you see carefully. And then when you fill up the water, you just put it in, back, and same way you can pull out this. There's another one, so it will tell you is it like the hot or cold. And another thing is the water goes through here. So this is a place where the mist gets created. It goes through the chamber from here, and then there is a heater which creates a mist. Alright guys, it was nice to post the videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and say thank you to Naomi. She did a wonderful job helping me with this video. And there she is. Have a nice day and enjoy I hope you like the product too. I'll post it once, like I'll review how I liked it or not. How was it? How is it working? Alright, take care.
Bye.
Bye.